Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn about attaching files to tasks in Todoist, a feature that can make your planning and productivity skyrocket. To start, log into your Todoist account and locate the task you want to attach a file to. The reason we do this first is to ensure we are working with the correct task. Next up, click on the task to open the Task Detail view. This view gives you more options for each task, including attaching files, adding comments, or setting reminders. Now that we've done that, look for the paperclip icon. You'll find this at the bottom of the task detail view, just beside the comment box. This paperclip icon is the gateway to attaching any file to your task. Once you've found the paperclip icon, click on it. A window will pop up, allowing you to select files from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. The beauty of this is that Todoist allows you to attach files from multiple sources, making it flexible for different user needs. After choosing your desired file, click on the Upload button, and voila, your file is now attached to your task. The reason this step is so important is that it allows you to keep all relevant materials for a task in one place. This helps us stay organized and efficient, as we can quickly access everything we need for a task right within Todoist. Let me explain why this matters. By attaching files to your tasks, you are essentially creating a one-stop resource hub for each of your tasks. No more scrambling around looking for that important document or reference image. It's all right there in your task details. In conclusion, attaching files to tasks in Todoist is a simple yet powerful way to boost your productivity and stay organized. That's it for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Todoist.